they embark on another chapter of their journey. Lord, may this birthday be a reminder of your abundant love and grace. May Alonzo experience your presence in every moment of the coming year. Dear God, thank you for the unique qualities and talents you've bestowed upon Alonzo. May they use them to glorify you and serve others in the coming year. Amen.
Ayan, thank you everyone. Ayan, everyone, welcome to sit down. Ayan, sit down muna tayo. And family picture muna po. Take the family picture. Ayan, look the camera po. And 1, 2, 3, smile. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Let's party. And thank you, Mommy and Daddy. Thank you so much. Apo, thank you everyone. Isa-isa kayo, guys. Gusto nyo? Ayan, ready, set, and go! Sir, let's go! Cheerleader at may smart sa Janito. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang special guest Ayan, thank you, Mami. Ayan, dito. Ano yan, best friend? Ano yan? Hindi yan, Hetty! Hindi yan, giveaway yan ni Mami. Ayan, hindi yan. Ayun, Jollibee lang! Ayan, Lansan! Yan! Ay, tuwan-tuwan! Ayan, tuwan-tuwan sa Lansan. Palakpakan naman natin mga Charlie friends natin. Kaya na ba? Let's move on sa highlight celebration ni Alam. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, Mami and Mali, pagong...
Wow! Haba kuya. Happy? Open? Up? Up? Pamoy, pamoy. Pamoy, pamoy na. Pamoy, pamoy. Hi! We have a toy. Show them your toy. Yeah, I have a toy from Jollibee. Show them your toy. What color is that? What color? Whoop! 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 Where's your toy? No, your toy, not your sandal. There. What color is that? Blue. Very good. Say hi. Oh, it's red. Yeah. Very good. Show them your sexy tummy. Where's your big tummy? Big tummy. Did you eat ice cream? Did you eat ice cream?
Punta na kayo sa bahay?